Kenya is full of opportunities for people who are willing to start small, learn quickly, and remain consistent. Every day, thousands of products are bought and sold in estates, markets, online shops, bus stages, schools, offices, and villages. Some products move slowly, while others sell very fast because people need them every day or because they are currently trending. Understanding these products can help someone build a profitable business, even with a small amount of capital. Many young people in Kenya are now turning to small businesses because formal jobs are difficult to find. Others want extra income to support their families, pay school fees, or improve their lifestyles. The good thing is that there are many products that do not require huge capital to start selling. Some people begin with less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings and slowly grow into successful traders. The secret is usually choosing the right products, understanding customers, and using social media properly. One of the fastest-selling products in Kenya today is phone accessories. Smartphones have become part of everyday life. Almost everyone owns a phone or hopes to own one soon. People constantly need chargers, earphones, screen protectors, phone covers, power banks, smartwatches, and memory cards. Since phones are used daily, accessories wear out quickly and customers keep buying replacements. A person can buy phone accessories wholesale from Nairobi or import them online at low prices. A charging cable bought at 150 Kenyan shillings can easily be sold at 350 Kenyan shillings or more. Good phone covers are also highly profitable. Young people especially love stylish covers because they want their phones to look attractive. Smartwatches and wireless earphones are also growing very fast in demand because many people want affordable technology that looks modern. The advantage of phone accessories is that they are small and easy to transport. Someone can carry many items in a backpack and move from place to place selling them. Others operate online through Facebook Marketplace, WhatsApp status, TikTok videos, and Instagram pages. Many sellers now make daily sales without owning physical shops. They simply post products online and deliver them to customers. Another fast-moving business in Kenya is beauty and skincare products. Many women and even men now spend money on products that improve appearance and confidence. Beauty products are among the easiest items to market because customers often return to buy again after finishing what they bought earlier. Popular beauty products include perfumes, lotions, body oils, lip gloss, face creams, body scrubs, eyelashes, wigs, hair extensions, makeup kits, and nail products. Some sellers focus only on organic skincare, while others specialize in perfumes and cosmetics. Perfume businesses are becoming especially popular because people want affordable fragrances that smell expensive. A small perfume bottle bought at 300 Kenyan shillings can be sold at 800 Kenyan shillings or even more depending on packaging and branding. Sellers who create attractive videos on TikTok often gain many customers quickly because beauty content performs very well online. Good lighting, clear demonstrations, and customer reviews help increase trust and sales. Hair businesses are also very profitable. Many women buy wigs, braids, and hair oils regularly. A person who learns how to market hair products effectively can build a loyal customer base. Some traders even sell products directly from their homes and still make large profits every month. Fashion products are another major opportunity in Kenya. Clothes always sell because people constantly need them for work, school, church, weddings, and social events. Young people especially love following trends. Whenever a new fashion style appears online, many people quickly want it. Some of the hottest fashion products include hoodies, sneakers, caps, cargo pants, oversized shirts, handbags, jewelry, official football jerseys, and baggy jeans. Mitumba clothing also remains very profitable because many Kenyans prefer affordable second-hand clothes that still look stylish. A trader can buy Mitumba bales or selected pieces from markets such as Jakamba and resell them at higher prices. Some people specialize in shoes, while others focus on handbags or ladies' dresses. The key is understanding what customers around you prefer. University students, office workers, and young professionals usually buy trendy clothes more often. Social media has transformed fashion businesses in Kenya. A simple TikTok video showing attractive outfits can generate many orders within hours. Some online clothing sellers receive payments through M-Pesa before even delivering products. This reduces risks and improves cash flow. Food businesses are among the oldest but most reliable businesses in Kenya. Food sells every single day because people must eat. Even during difficult economic times, food businesses continue operating because hunger never ends. One of the most common fast-selling food products is smokies and eggs. Many people buy them on the way to work, school, or while traveling. Someone can start a smoky and egg business with relatively small capital and make daily profits. Other fast-moving foods include chips, samosas, mandazi, boiled maize, chapati, fresh juice, tea, coffee, and cooked rice. Street food businesses perform very well in busy areas such as bus stages, schools, markets, and towns. Customers usually look for affordable meals that save time. A food seller who maintains cleanliness, good customer service, and consistent taste often gains loyal buyers quickly. Fresh juice businesses are also growing rapidly because more people want healthier drinks. Passion juice, mango juice, sugarcane juice, and mixed fruit juice attract many customers, especially during hot weather. Packaging also matters greatly in food businesses. Clean bottles, good branding, and attractive presentation can increase sales significantly. Another product category that sells fast in Kenya is household and kitchen items. Many people now want products that make work easier at home. Kitchen gadgets are especially popular because demonstration videos online make them look very useful. Products such as vegetable slicers, portable blenders, storage containers, electric kettles, mini washing machines, water dispensers, and LED lights are now common in many online shops. Customers buy these products because they save time and improve convenience. A portable blender bought wholesale at 1,500 Kenyan shillings can be sold at 3,000 Kenyan shillings or more. Rechargeable products also perform well because electricity interruptions remain common in many areas. Rechargeable bulbs, solar lamps, and portable fans are increasingly becoming necessities rather than luxuries. Car accessories also represent a growing market in Kenya. The number of vehicle owners continues increasing every year. Taxi drivers, private car owners, and matatu operators constantly buy products that improve convenience and appearance. Popular car accessories include phone holders, seat covers, steering wheel covers, LED headlights, car perfumes, cleaning kits, and dashboard cameras. Some drivers buy accessories to improve comfort, while others want their vehicles to look more attractive. A simple car perfume bought at 200 Kenyan shillings can sell at 500 Kenyan shillings. Cleaning products also move very quickly because vehicle owners want clean cars regularly. Entrepreneurs who position themselves near car wash businesses or busy roads often attract more customers. Cleaning products themselves have become a strong business category. Many homes, schools, offices, and businesses require soap, detergents, disinfectants, and toilet cleaners daily. Some entrepreneurs now manufacture liquid soap and detergents locally because production costs are affordable. Someone can start a small liquid soap business from home using simple equipment and raw materials. A 20-liter container of liquid soap can generate good profits when packaged properly and sold in smaller quantities. Many schools, salons, and offices buy cleaning products in bulk, creating opportunities for suppliers. Baby products also continue selling quickly because parents always prioritize their children. Diapers, baby clothes, feeding bottles, toys, baby wipes, and baby carriers are constantly in demand. Parents are usually willing to spend money on products that keep their children comfortable and healthy. A person selling baby products online can attract customers through parenting groups on Facebook and WhatsApp. Trust is very important in this business because parents prefer reliable sellers who provide quality products. Electronics and small gadgets have also become very profitable. Young people love technology and entertainment products. Bluetooth speakers, gaming accessories, mini projectors, rechargeable bulbs, portable radios, and wireless keyboards now sell very fast both online and offline. Mini projectors have become especially popular because many families want affordable home entertainment. Some people buy them for watching football matches, while others use them for movies and presentations. Gaming accessories also attract many young customers who spend a lot of time online. The rise of online selling has completely changed business in Kenya. Before, traders mainly depended on physical shops and market stalls. Today, someone can start a successful business using only a smartphone and internet connection. Platforms such as Facebook Marketplace, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp Business, and Gigi allow sellers to reach thousands of customers daily. TikTok especially has become one of the strongest marketing tools for Kenyan businesses. Short videos showing products in action often attract huge audiences. Some sellers become famous within weeks because their videos go viral. Live selling is also becoming common, where sellers showcase products in real time and customers place orders immediately. WhatsApp status remains powerful because it targets people who already know the seller. Consistent posting helps customers remember products and increases chances of sales. Good pictures, clear pricing, and quick responses are very important when selling online. One major challenge faced by many beginners is choosing the wrong products. Some people buy expensive stock without researching demand. Others copy businesses blindly without understanding the market around them. Before investing money, it is important to study customer behavior carefully. A good product usually solves a problem, saves time, improves comfort, or follows a popular trend. Products that people use daily often sell faster than luxury items. Beginners should also avoid spending all their capital at once. Starting small helps reduce risks while learning the business. Location also matters greatly in physical businesses. A product that sells quickly in Nairobi may move slowly in another town. University areas usually perform well for fashion, snacks, and electronics. Residential estates often favor household products and groceries. Busy roads and bus stages work well for food businesses and impulse purchases. Customer service is another factor that determines success. Polite communication, honesty, and reliability help build trust. Customers often return to sellers who treat them well. In online business, responding quickly to messages increases chances of making sales. Many buyers lose interest when sellers delay replies. Branding is becoming increasingly important, even for small businesses. Attractive packaging, professional photos, and consistent logos make products appear more valuable. Customers often judge businesses based on appearance before even testing products. A simple branded package can make a customer trust a business more. Pricing also requires wisdom. Some beginners overprice products and scare away customers, while others underprice and fail to make profits. A good seller studies competitors carefully before deciding prices. Discounts, bundle offers, and free delivery can also attract more buyers. Importation has opened more opportunities for Kenyan entrepreneurs. Some traders import products directly from China and other countries at lower costs. This increases profit margins significantly. However, beginners should first understand the market before importing large quantities. One important lesson in business is consistency. Many successful traders did not become rich overnight. They started with small profits and reinvested money gradually. Over time, they built larger businesses through patience and discipline. Fear prevents many people from starting businesses. Some wait for perfect conditions or huge capital. However, many profitable Kenyan businesses began with very small amounts of money. The most important step is starting and learning continuously. Kenya remains one of the best places in Africa for small businesses because of the large population, growing internet use, and active mobile money systems. M-Pesa has made transactions easier, even in remote areas. Customers can order products online and pay instantly, without traveling long distances. Young entrepreneurs who understand trends and customer behavior have huge opportunities ahead. Social media continues creating new markets every day. Products that solve everyday problems, improve lifestyles, or entertain people will likely continue selling fast for many years. Success in business is not only about having money, it also depends on creativity, persistence, marketing skills, and willingness to adapt. Someone who studies trends carefully and treats customers well can build a strong business even from a small beginning. The future belongs to people who are ready to take action. Fast-selling products in Kenya provide real opportunities for ordinary people to change their lives, support families, create jobs, and achieve financial freedom.